In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GROUPBY, PIVOTBY, and image functions in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and prepare a worksheet where you can follow along. These are modern Excel features designed to make data analysis and visual presentation much easier, especially when you want quick summaries without building everything manually. Before we jump into the formula, it helps to understand what each function is meant to do. GROUPBY is used to summarize data based on categories. PIVOTBY creates pivot-style summaries using formulas, which can be a great alternative when you want flexible, dynamic reporting right in the sheet. The image function, on the other hand, lets you display images directly inside worksheet cells, which is useful for dashboards, product lists, or visual references. For this example, use a simple sample dataset with two columns, region and sales. The data includes entries like East with 1200, West with 850, East with 950, North with 1100, and West with 700. This kind of small table is perfect for understanding how GROUPBY works, because you can clearly see repeated categories and how Excel combines them. Now, the recommended method here is to use the GROUPBY function. First, make sure your data is organized with clear headers. That matters because structured data is always easier to work with in Excel, and it reduces mistakes when building formulas. Next, select the cell where you want the grouped summary to appear. This should be in an empty area of the worksheet, so the results have space to spill dynamically. Then enter the formula equals GROUPBY, open parenthesis, A2 through A6, comma, B2 through B6, comma, sum close parenthesis. After that, press enter. Excel will immediately return a dynamic summary grouped by the selected field. In this case, it groups the data by region and calculates total sales for each one automatically. The result shows East with 2150, North with 1100, and West with 1550. This saves time because you do not need to sort the list manually or build a separate summary table by hand. As a general tip, use GROUPBY when you want to summarize data by one or more categories quickly. Use PIVOTBY when you need a formula-based report that feels more like a pivot table. And use the image function when you want to place pictures from image URLs directly into worksheet cells for a more visual spreadsheet. Once you get comfortable with these functions, Excel becomes much more powerful for both analysis and presentation.